Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to get furniture. If you want to get furniture for the Shift Architect, you can use the SketchUp files. Go to 3dwarehousesketchup.com and then you can download your 3D objects in it. After it, to open into Shift Architect, you can click File, go to Import, and then click on the Import 3D symbol. Now, searching for your SketchUp file, as example, I will use this SketchUp file, click Open, and click OK. Now, the object will be shown in your library browser on the user catalog. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to get furniture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.